I'm gonna show y'all how you make jalapeno popper egg salad. Sounds crazy, just trust me, it's gonna be delish. Chop up 8 boiled eggs. All right, and then 2 tablespoons of bacon bits, tablespoon of diced jalapenos or jalapeno. And this is my food only, so don't you worry your pretty little head about my head of hair, okay? Now, this is optional, but I do like adding some HBR ranch seasoning to mine. Measure with your heart. It just gives it a little bit of zest. And then 2 cups of cottage cheese. I use cottage cheese instead of mayo because, for one, you get more bang for your buck. It's higher in protein and lower in calories. It makes your egg salad super creamy and even more fulfilling. Mixy mix, babes. Mix her all up. I suggest taste testing it. That way you can add anything else you want. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of the jalapeno juice instead of more jalapenos. And a little more of the ranch seasoning. Let's see if we got it perfect now. Yes, and for my cottage cheese haters out there, if you don't like cottage cheese, you can opt for Greek yogurt. But if it's just the texture of the cottage cheese that bothers you, by all means, blend the cottage cheese. It'll make it a smoother texture for you. I just like mine like this.